The latest person to test positive was visiting Anne Arundel County from Montana.
WJZ investigator Mike Helgren is live in Hanover with the latest. Mike.
Vic and Denise, we do not believe there was mass exposure here in Anne Arundel County, but officials have been very tight-lipped about this patient and where she traveled in the county. And because she is a resident of Montana, this will not count on the state's official tally, which remains at 9 positive cases at this moment. Large tents are up at Baltimore's Sinai Hospital just in case they're needed to screen and triage patients for the new coronavirus. Among Maryland's latest cases, a woman who traveled from Montana to Anne Arundel County. The county executive says she had limited contacts and they've been identified and notified. Right now, she is hospitalized in Anne Arundel County.
We've got to change our behavior. We have to essentially assume that we are going to get hit. And that's why we talk about making mitigation and containment in a much more vigorous way.
If there is a case of a pandemic, I think that everyone should be informed.
Baltimore City's health commissioner says there are no cases in the city yet.
Thus far, the cases in Maryland have been associated with travel, so we'll certainly be watching over the next few days.
She would not reveal how many people have been tested.
That number I'm not at liberty to share, but I will say that we're working closely with the Maryland Department of Health, that if there is a concern for a case or a person that needs to be under investigation, that we do the appropriate contact investigation for that individual.
And the fire chief urged people only call 911 for emergencies.
If people use the system in an improper way, as we evolve into what we think we could possibly evolve into, they could exacerbate our system.
In the state's official tally, many of those who tested positive traveled on cruises. Officials say it's not time to panic, but time to prepare.